Welcome back guys, English Dan back with another video. You've seen I did a first look and an unboxing of the Soundcore Life Q30s, the latest release from Soundcore. My first look, the reason I did that was because I got them pretty late in the game, so I couldn't really do a review because I'd only listened to them for just over a day and just couldn't do that. So we're here now. I've used these for some time, and let me tell you, these are the headphones to beat right now when it comes up to the holidays. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that offer pretty much everything like Soundcore do every time, they have knocked it out of the park with these things. These things here are amazing. The sound quality on them is fantastic at the price point. I mean, these sound as good as some headphones I've used that are $200. Just definitely, the build quality on them is as good as what I've used with $200 headphones. They're just fantastic. I don't know how Soundcore do it. I say this every time, but these things are fantastic. They have the signature Soundcore sound. If you watch one of my previous videos about another company who made wireless earbuds, Jabra, they seem to have lost their way and they've ignored their signature sound. Soundcore know they've got that sound down and they just keep building on it, and they just keep offering fantastic audio products at such a low price. These are the best earphones you can buy right now if you don't want to spend over $300. That's just the way it is. Some people are going to be like, oh, no, wrong. I'm telling you, these, I've got a plethora, tons of headphones and earbuds. These, my friends, are fantastic. The 40-hour playtime, oh yeah, easy. I think I got a little bit more out of them, to be honest. Microphones work. Clear calls, you do get clear calls out of them. Like, I don't use my headphones for calls, but when I tested these, they were fantastic, no problem whatsoever. They use NFC for fast pairing, so no more having to fiddle around looking, just beep, put your phone up to the thing, dink, done. You are done. That is it. They are paired. They are so good. They come with what they call high-res audio, and the audio on them is just out of this world. I think it's fantastic. They really do punch with $200 alternatives. There's just no doubt about it that the sound quality on these is just way up there. Soundcore outdo themselves for me. They really do. I mean, they could have probably charged $150 for these and I'd have still been sat here saying, bang, these are fantastic. They've also got transparency mode. So not only do they have the hybrid active noise cancelling that works really well, let me tell you guys, it really does work. Not quite as good as the Sony XM4s, but they're $350. These are nowhere near that. You could buy several pairs of these for that, but they still work with ANC. The ANC isn't like a fake ANC like you do get on some other stuffs that are lower priced. ANC works on these, all right? It blocks out most of the low end and all that noises, AC, rumblings in the background, my neighbor working on his bike and things like that. I don't hear any of it when I'm wearing these. They're just really good. Another thing that these do have, which is incredible at this price, is touch for transparency mode. So you cover the side and you can hear everything around you. So if someone's talking to you, you don't have to stop your music. You just touch you cover the actual air cup and the mics activate on the outside and allow you to hear what's around you. So you can have that conversation without your music stopping. It's fantastic. The technology that they've got into these at the price point, no one else has come near. Let me just say that. You also get this really nice case with them, which is great for traveling. They also do fold up, so if you don't want to have them in a bulky case like that, you can fold them up and put them in a case of your choice. You know, if you've bought something from Amazon to carry headphones around. They also do lie flat as well, which is another bonus. They're super comfortable. They're extremely lightweight. They've not got any garish advertising on them. Like, I think this is just quite nice. It's the Soundcore logo. And it is shiny, obviously, but it's not like in your face or looks cheap. And then, obviously, on the band here, it has the active noise cancelling. That's about all you get on it. I mean, they're really good. The buttons on these things work just fine. Power button, your noise cancelling over here, USB-C for charging. Still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can still listen to these wired. Play, pause, and your volume up and down. They do everything you want, and more for me. These, they connect to the Soundcore app, which for me is the best app you can use on any audio device. Why is it the best app? Regardless of whether you buy these or any of the Liberty products, like the Liberty Air 2s and the Liberty 2 Pro, Liberty 2, they connect to the app, and the app not only updates the firmware in the headphones, but the guys over at Soundcore are always making improvements to the app. When the app first came out, it didn't have a graphic equalizer. It only had a few set presets for how you would listen to your music. Now, there's tons of presets. There is a graphic equalizer. You can update your firmware. It's just, everything's there when it comes to Soundcore. So, absolutely. I'm going to put a link down in the description for these. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anymore. It just helps me on the back end. If you're looking at buying somebody a really good pair of headphones, but don't want to break the bank to get them, but still want the features and the sound quality, the Life Q30, knock it out of the park. I mean, absolutely smash it. These are my favorite headphones right now. Unreal value. Did it again, Soundcore. I just hope you come out with some Liberty Air 3 or Liberty 3 Pro sometime soon. Would be nice. Anyway, you never know. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. These are awesome. Peace.